Hello, welcome to our channel. For today's video, I decided that I'm going to share to you one of the travel hacks that I personally use whenever I decided to go to travel to another country. Woo! First is, I find it very tedious, like searching online. For example, I want to go to Georgia, and what are the requirements for me as a Filipino residing in Doha? So I find it very tedious just to search it on the Google and just typing and searching, opening all of the links that are related to the topics that I want to, or the country that I want to go. Then I discover this one of my biggest hack in life. And today I'm gonna share it to you. So I have this one incident. It's not me, I don't know if I should share it, but I think I'm gonna share it for us to get the lesson. Why we have to check the requirements on which country that we are going, the latest requirement. Not just opening links from here and there that we found on Google. So I have a friend who's traveling to a country, and so he's a frequent traveler. So then that I know that he already knows what to do, what to search and everything before leaving and before applying everything, buying ticket, and because requirements, you have to have like the full requirements before heading for the next step, like planning for your tickets, buying your tickets, applying your visa and everything. So then and then I received a message like few hours before his flight. I received a message like, how many months is your visa validity when you travel to this country? And I said I had like 12 because of course I plan ahead and I checked that the requirement of this country for us, like GCC residents, that the ID that you have to present in the immigration must be valid at least 6 months. So I planned that ahead. I informed my company, and they are very helpful, and they renewed my visa earlier so I can comply on that requirement. And then he asked me, it's not just 3 months? I said, no. Where did you get that information? So then the problem comes to that. He's already there. He's ready to fly. But then he checked some links that is like not so updated, like few years before. So then, I told him that, no, I checked everything and these are the requirements. So now he is in a lot of stress going to another country, not knowing if he will be able to go, or he will be able to to go to be permitted by the immigration to go for the tour. So it causes a lot of stress. What he decided to do is just try his luck. He has like three months validity of the visa or our ID, and he tried his luck, and luckily he got lucky. But then you thinking about the stress that it cost you, like thinking, am I in the whole flight, going to that country? Are they going to allow me? What's gonna happen to me if not, So to save you a lot of stress, I'm giving you my super hack. And here it is. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna make a video and link it to this video. So you're gonna see what site I'm using. So this site is very, very helpful since before, when I just recently started traveling more because of my partner. He loves to travel. So then it's just a requirement to know, like for me, a Filipino citizen residing in Qatar, going to this country, and it's very helpful. Really, it's very, very helpful for me now. It's like in a bookmark. So I suggest you guys, if you're frequently traveling, to save it as a bookmark, and whenever you have an idea to travel to this country, just press, I am a Philippine passport, resident of Qatar, I want to go to India. What are the latest requirements? I don't need to open all of these sites. I don't need to to type Google and to search everywhere, search in YouTube, what are the latest requirements going to India, what are this and this and that. To save you all of that, I'm giving you this video. So I think you're gonna watch it now. So first you type Qatar Airways and just click on the qatarairways.com. Okay, and then you click on travel requirements. Okay, just scroll down for the travel requirements. Okay, so as you can see here, find the entry or exit requirements. This is like your origin, for example, is Qatar, and I want to go to India. So India, okay, let's say Delhi, and and you can just simply click the requirements here. If you are a resident, or you can just go through over like what are the, before it was very very useful for the COVID-19 requirements, but for now it's not so strict anymore. So for example, here, entry by residents and citizens are allowed. Okay, and Qatar Airways requirements and COVID-19 if required, So this is like one of the useful links. Okay, and then transit through Doha. Okay, if you are not leaving the airport, there's no problem. And this is the useful part that I'm telling you. For example, I want to go to India and I am a Philippine passport. Okay. Okay, and my country of residence is Qatar. So okay, like for those who wants to go to India, having a Philippine citizenship, residing in Doha. So here are the requirements. So it's very easy. It's just like one site that you need to go through and put the information. And these are the latest information. These are the same when you have to click on each embassy or wherever, So these are the latest requirements. For example, the visa. And you can also get here. Okay. You can read here. Okay, I'm gonna give another example. Like the same situation what I was telling earlier. For example, I want to go to Egypt. Okay. And I'm a Filipino citizen with a normal passport and a citizen of Qatar, or sorry, a resident of Qatar. So this was similar to the situation my friend had gone through. For example, yeah, main requirement is passport, and this is like for the visa. Okay, okay. So let's read here, for example. So see that a GCC member state resident can stay up to 30 days if they should have residence permit must be valid minimum of 6 months from the arrival date. So this is one of the example that I was telling. So guys, so check all the details before planning and buying all these tickets, and having all accommodations. So just check all first the requirement in order to enter the country, okay? So that is like a second quick example. Also, it's very important to check the customs. What if you have to bring some things, pets or some cigarettes or whatever, or some alcohol, So especially in Muslim countries, just very very careful with that. If they're just gonna get your liquids, so better check, be prepared, plan ahead. Okay, that's it. So this is the website that I'm talking about, and I hope I help you out with this hack. Hi guys, thank you for watching, and if you found our video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it to those who need it. Adios, see you next time.